In this video, we are going to find employees earning more than their managers. Hello, I'm Jagan. I am posting this video to share my knowledge in SQL with you. If this assists you in your interview preparation anyways, I'll be happy. The question we are going to discuss in this video is, given the employee table, write a SQL query that finds out employees who earn more than their managers. So the employee table got the employee ID, the name, salary, and if they have a manager, they will have the manager ID. For example, Joe's employee ID is 1, he got 70k of salary, and his manager is 3. So 3, you go here and see 3 is Sam, and his salary is 60,000. And Henry is employee ID 2, got 80,000, and his manager is 4, which is Max. He got 90,000 salary. When you compare the salary, Joe got 70,000 and his manager got 60,000. So Joe's salary is greater than Sam's. When you see Henry is 80,000 but his manager Max got 90,000. That means Henry got less salary than Max. Same with Mark and Jack. They got less salary than Sam. So with the given data set, only Joe is the only employee who gets salary greater than the manager. Okay. Let's create a table here. Okay. We are going to create a table called employee, and if you see this, Sam and Max don't have managers but others are having managers. So how will you address this question? Basically it's a very simple question and we are going to use self join for this. So we are going to connect employee with the same employee table. So the first connection is going to for the manager and the second one is going to be for the employee. Okay, let's see how to do that. We just going to select from employee, I said manager, inner join employee who is a team member on employee dot manager ID equal to manager dot ID. Okay, let's see what are the values we are going to get for this. We are going to get the employee information and the manager information and their salary. So if you see the right side, the Joe, his manager's name is Sam. You can just say this as employee name and this as MGR name, E dot salary as employee salary and M dot salary as MGR salary, not the Talaivar MGR, it's manager. Okay. Okay, so if you see the data, we have Joe and his manager is Sam. Joe's salary is 70k and manager's salary is 60k. And we have the salary comparison. So what is the extra condition we have to put to get the required data? We just going to add and employee dot salary is greater than manager dot salary, right? So this will give you only those records which got employee salary greater than manager's salary, right? And they asked only the employee name, right? Given the employee table to find out employees, right? So employee ID and employee name should be fine, no need for the manager. So whatever is required, we can just have that in the select statement. Okay, isn't it simple? Okay, now with the same data set, if they are asking to get all the managers and their reportees salary, means whoever the employees, just group them based on the manager. In this data set, manager Sam got 1, 2, 3 reportees and manager Max got Henry as the reportee. Now we are going to get let's go here and say get all the managers and their reportees salary. We are going to use the same SQL with a few corrections. So we are not going to compare the salary. What we are going to get is, we are going to get the manager's ID. We don't need the employee information, and we need the manager's name, and then we need the employee's salary. Just say sum of salary. Since we use aggregation, we say group by 1, 2. Okay, same SQL but few corrections, just making an aggregation part of it. Okay, so if you see Sam, his reportees get 140k of salary. 140, 70 is here and 40, 30. So 70 plus 70 is 140k. And for Max, it's only Henry, which is 80k, right? Simple again. Now I am going to add one additional condition. Now we have the total reportee salary. If I want to know the total salary of all the reportees and the manager's salary together as a team's salary, how will I do it? Right? The same SQL plus a few more conditions. We discussed that in our video 5, where we talked about aggregation and non-aggregation function, how to handle it. So I leave up to you. You try it and share your thoughts on the comment section. Okay, so the expected output is, I need to have the reportee salary, which we just did above, and then I want to have the team salary, which is the reportee salary plus the manager's salary. Okay, so if I just add sum of m dot salary as manager's salary, it's going to be an error. Okay, so you go through the data and you're going to see you got 180k and then you got 80 and 90, which is not the right way. This is the wrong way of processing it, because it got 140 for the employee salary plus you have to add Sam's salary, which is 60k. So 140k plus 60k is supposed to be 200k, right? And we have for Max it's 80k, and then adding Max salary is another 90k, which is 80 plus 90 is 170k. So when you do this way, it's not going to work, right? So what is the right way of doing it? Please try it and share your thought in the comment section. I can share the link for how to handle the aggregation and non-aggregation function video, the previous one we did, in the description. Okay, thank you. Bye.